Do you struggle with having way too many emails in your inbox? Well, you're in luck because today we are going to talk about the fastest way to reduce the size of your email inbox here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And if you are struggling with having too many emails in your inbox right now, then this video is for you. If you are dealing with having hundreds of emails or even thousands of emails, nobody wants to take the time to go through those emails one at a time and fix the problem. But what if I told you that there was a faster way to do it? That's what this video is for. So here we go. Step one, this is the key step right here. Most of us sort our emails by the received column. In other words, it's by date, and the most recent date is on top, and then it gets down to the older emails. Well, all you have to do is resort all of your emails temporarily. Switch from sorting by received to sorting by the from column. So you just go over to the from column, you click on it, and it'll resort all the emails. So now they're in alphabetical order, listed by who they are from. Can you see where we're going with this? Okay. This is going to make it easy for you to pick an entire group at a time of a certain person or a certain company. So find an unwanted sender from this list. Maybe there's a guy named Joe Smith, and he's been sending you emails for years. You don't even remember signing up for his new newsletter, but he's sending them to you. So take one of those emails and either use the unsubscribe link if it's a reputable source, or if you think that Joe Smith is, not on the up and up, you can mark him as spam. But typically, the way I described it, it would fit into the unsubscribe for this particular example. Once you do that, you can take the same sender, and now we're going to highlight all of their emails. And in one batch, in one fell swoop, you select all and you delete them all. Now, you may have had hundreds of emails from Joe or thousands, and they were scattered throughout the time frame that your inbox has been accruing emails. But because we've regrouped them so that he was all together in one spot, you just got rid of a whole bunch of emails in one step that took less than a couple of minutes. Now, let's say that Joe Smith was somebody that you actually did want to have emails from, but he doesn't have to live in your inbox. So, alternatively, you can highlight the entire batch of his emails and create a folder just for him. Make a Joe Smith email folder. And again, you hit select all, you highlight them all, and you move them all into this new folder. So again, we are dealing with hundreds of emails, maybe thousands, all at one time, not going piecemeal, reading one email at a time. Of course, that would take too long. If you are willing to spend a few minutes on this at a time, whenever you're ready to stop for the day, all you have to do is switch back really quickly, go click on the received column so that the emails sort the way they always have been. So you just do this when you're ready to clean. And when you're not ready to clean, you go back to the normal way that your inbox has things sorted. So there you go. All you have to do is set aside 10 or 15 minutes a day to delete unwanted emails or to move emails into folders that you've created. If you follow this simple rule, you're going to watch your inbox shrink down to a reasonable size, whatever that is for you. And that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed this exciting video. I hope you are excited to go try it. I would love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below, what did your inbox start at? What's it at now? How long did it take you to make that change? I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.